Hi guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. So today I am here to do a quick little pretty unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and this is from their summer collection for 2021 and it's called By the Pool collection. You guys, if you have not seen my video, I did like a sneak peek like 2 months back. This was one of the items I was on there, and it was either a hit or miss for me, honestly. I was like, I don't know if it's too like specific of like vacation vibes, but when I saw it, when it actually kind of launched, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So I had to have my CA order this for me, and she's like, you know what, they made such a limited amount in this bag. She's like, I don't know if we're gonna get it or if we're gonna be able to get it, because if you didn't know, a little announcement, Louis Vuitton is not letting you pre-order any of the canvas pieces anymore. So it is only the leather pieces that you can pre-order now. So I wasn't able to pre-order this like I was able to pre-order my mini pochette in the empreinte leather. I did an unboxing for that one too, and that's from the Pool collection as well for 2021. If you want to check it out, I will link that video down below. But yeah, you guys, this is a beautiful collection and I'm really happy I was able to get my hands on it. I went and picked it up today, so I was like, let me just make this video and do a little unboxing and let you guys see what it looks like in person, because I can't really find any videos. So I'm like, hopefully this will help somebody if they want to get it, if they don't want to get it. So yes. But yeah, you guys, I'm really excited. If you are new and you clicked to see this bag, make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button. But I'm gonna read to you guys a little quote before we get started. All right, you guys, here is the quote. It reads, my wish for you is that one day you will wake up and feel empowered by the parts of yourself that you once labeled as flawed. All right, you guys, let's go on to the video. All right, you guys, this bag and box is humongous. Like, oh my gosh, I can't even pick it up. I don't even know why it's so heavy. Like, what is going on in here? This is huge. This is, I'm looking around, this is the biggest one I have ever gotten from Louis Vuitton. It's huge. She had to I get into the bag and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but she had to put it in a bigger box because I feel like it was kind of messing with the canvas a little bit. I was like, why does it look like that? But anyway, it was just, this is a huge box. So I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, but here it is. So again, like I told you guys, if you have I always say in my videos, like, if you have a CA that you work with, ask them and see if they can order this for you, because I know this is like, once it's gone, it's going to be extremely hard. Because I know the Scale collection, I was able to get it way after it launched. With everything that went on last year, I feel like it was a little bit easier to get that collection than this one. Is going to be really hard. She said there's a very limited amount that they made in these bags and SLGs and whatever. So I'm just like, if you want to get your hands on it, and I will give you like the code for it. Of course, I will try to link that down below, and I will link the specific bag down below. There is 3 colors that it comes with. I got, of course, the pink, but it comes in a mist color, which is kind of like a gray, kind of gradient effect to like oranges kind of color. And then there's a blue one. It's kind of, I believe it's like a white, and it kind of goes to like a blue gradient effect. But both of these have flowers on it, but I really like the Neverfull. I always recommend the Neverfull from any collection. You get 2 for 1. You get the pochette that comes with it, and you get the bag. So it's 2 for 1. As much as you're paying if you get anything from a collection, always try to think of the mini pochette. Always try to think of the Neverfull, because it always comes with like a miniature pochette on the inside that you can wear it as a night out, or you can just, you know, keep it in your bag and put in other bags and whatever else, you know. So always think about the Neverfull. I always say that to everybody. But yeah, it's just an empty big huge box. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put this, because geez Louise, this is big. So I'm gonna take the ribbon off of here. I'm gonna try to slide it off actually. So this one, oh my gosh, it's so big. All right, you guys, it looked like it did do a better job, because I feel like she was stuffing it at first. Well, I don't think so. I think it's still stuffed, so I'm not gonna put it back in the box. I don't know what, like, they need to make a taller box for the Neverfulls. So here we go. Oh my gosh, here's the beautiful dust bag, you guys. I'm so excited to show y'all. And of course, by the thumbnail, you probably know what it looks like. Oh my gosh, my lights are not gonna wash this off. goodness, you guys. So stunning, right? Like, look at that. Okay, so when I made that video, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. It's too specific of a print. Like, it's super like vacation or like Hawaii vibes, but oh my gosh, I'm absolutely in love. I love pink, and I was like, I have to add this to my collection. So between this one and the Escale Neverfull I have, I don't know, this one might kind of take the cake just because it's so pretty and so unique, and with this flower detail is so beautiful, you guys. I might have to turn down my lights. Let me see if that works. Okay, that's kind of better. Yeah, it's just hard. There we go. I love this detail, you guys. It's so pretty. Has LV right there, and then the flower doesn't really have anything, but you can take this on and off and put it in different bags and all of that. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the way it smells. So if you watch that video, you guys know, or if you watch any of my videos, you know I hate is a strong word, but I do not like Vachetta. This is unfortunately Vachetta, so I'm like, didn't even realize that I'm touching all over it right now. So that's one thing that I don't like. I don't like the patina that Vachetta comes with. Okay, so that's a little better. So I don't know, you guys, that's the only downside of this bag is the Vachetta. So, but other than that, you can see how beautiful she is. She's so stunning, right? The inside is so pretty. All right, let me try to unhook this. So of course you guys all know what Neverfulls look like. And just unhook it. Look at the inside, y'all. It's so beautiful. It's this pink. So the new Neverfulls, or at least this one, it does not have a pocket. Remember how it, not a pocket, it has a pocket, but there's no flap. Remember how it usually has a flap to it? This one does not. And the zipper is super smooth. Now this one might be the microchipped one because I don't think I saw a date code on here. So this one might be microchipped. If you guys didn't know that Louis Vuitton is now microchipping bags instead of having like the date codes on them. So I believe it's for like resale purposes. I don't know. But there is no, yeah, it's usually on this one of these corners. It's not there. So I'm assuming this one is microchipped. So, and this one also comes, sorry, I'm like checking my bag to make sure everything is good. And this one right here, it is the push it I was telling you guys about. You see how beautiful that is? Oh my gosh, I can't deal. So again, Vachetta, I know, but whatever, we'll be okay. This is a smooth zipper. I love their zippers. So here she is. Has a little pocket right here. So mine is a made in France. So, and I'll show you guys this one as well. If you can see on the inside, it's made in France. So I'm really, really happy about that. And I'll show you guys, or share with you guys, the little item number. And of course I'll link it down below. But this is just cow coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, blah blah blah. The usual, right? So this is the Neverfull Pool, and then the color is rose, but on the website it's light pink. So the code is M45680 if you want to get your hands on this Neverfull. And it comes in 3 colors. So of course, hello, pink. I love pink. This was, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I cannot deal. This might win from the Escale collection. I rave about that collection so much, but this one might take the cake because it's so beautiful. And my camera is super washing it out. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Like I said, you can use this bag charm on any other bags that you have, or whichever one that fits to it. This is like stunning, right? Like, I am absolutely obsessed. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't know what else to say. I can do a whole review once I use it, but the only downside to this bag is the Vachetta. Like, I'm touching it and I'm not even realizing that I'm darkening it by touching all over it. And of course, with hand sanitizers and stuff, you gotta be careful nowadays. But yeah, you guys, it screams vacation vibes. This screams summer. And I live in Arizona, so we're basically summer all year round, which I don't mind. I love it. But It's so stunning, you guys. And it still has this D-ring that you can hook this up to, or you can hook any of your other stuff. And yes, yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys can get this in your collection as well. And I was super lucky, and hopefully I'm one of the few people that is going to have this in their collection, and I'm obsessed with it, like I said. So yeah, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if there is anything you guys want to see or any reviews you guys want me to do, and again, if you want me to do a full review, like if I use this or when I start using this, I say if because I'm like, oh, I'm so scared of the Vachetta, but yeah, I can do a comparison between this and the Escale. Just let me know and leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting on Instagram every single thing, so follow Instagram. I will link that down below as well. So thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.